Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process on how to enable No Match template on your Facebook page. This feature is crucial because users often do not know the exact keywords you've set for the chatbot to respond to, and may type random messages or keywords. You or your agent might not always be available to respond immediately. By enabling the No Match template and setting a generic reply that customers can understand, the chatbot will respond on your behalf, informing your users that you will get back to them soon. To get started, make sure your Facebook page is connected to your Zebrabuzz account. If you're unsure how to connect your Facebook account to the system, please watch the video linked in the description below. Zebrabuzz is an AI social media automation platform, email and SMS marketing automation developed to help online business owners collect leads and sell their products through automation. Now let's proceed to the steps on how to enable No Match template. 1. Click on the Bot Manager menu on the left. 2. Now choose the specific page you want to set No Match Found reply. Next, find the General Settings and click on it. 3. You will find a button, Reply if No Match Found. Just click on it. It will become active button. Scroll down and click on the Save button to save this setting. 4. Now click on Action button settings. Then look up at your right, you'll see No Match template. Click on it. This chatbot page will come up. 5. Now all you have to do is set your reply as you want, then hit Done and then save it. We're done with the setting. Let's see how it works. 6. Go to your Facebook page and type any random keyword into your chat messenger. I'll say, "Hello, how are you?" I just type a random message, which I didn't set as keyword. Now you can see that the reply which I set came up as a respond. This is how you can set the Not Match reply so that your customers will understand that you will reply their messages soon. This is it for today. Now you know how to do it. Go ahead and enable your No Match template. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials.